All processes that attract a payment will have a system-generated invoice or invoices as well as the accepted payment channels to be used. As such, you should not make any additional payments to facilitate the processing of your application. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the tutorial for the verification process on ArdhiSasa. This is a new feature which enables users to verify converted parcels as well as verifying output documents that have been issued via ArdhiSasa. For starters, you will open your browser of choice and type ardhisasa.lands.go.ke. Once you land on the login page, key in your ArdhiSasa ID or national ID number as well as your password and then click Continue. Upon doing so, you will be provided with a one-time password code, OTP, which will be sent to the phone number you used to register with on the platform. Once you have received the OTP, type the code onto the OTP prompt box and click Login. You will then be navigated to the dashboard where you will find a number of services listed under the departments we have in the State Departments of Lands and Physical Planning. This feature is accessible to a private user as well as professionals, for example, an advocate. To initiate this process, you will navigate to the left side of the screen and click on Verification Processes. You will be directed to a page with two verification processes, namely Verify Documents and Verify Converted Parcels. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will delve into the two processes. As such, the first verification process is the verification of documents. Here, you will type onto the text box provided the serial number of the document you wish to verify and then click on Search, and the details of the document will be displayed below. As you can see, the details provided include the serial number of the document, the parcel number associated with the said document, the process type, as well as the date the document was created. In our example, the document we are verifying is a land rent clearance certificate. The other verification process is the verification of converted parcels. Conversion entails the process of migrating all the parcels of land from the repealed Land Registration Statutes to a unitary regime under the Land Registration Act 2012. The titles issued under the repealed statutes will be cancelled and replaced with titles under the new regime. After a parcel of land is gazetted and the 90-day time limit issued lapses, the Ministry calls upon the parcel owners to initiate the surrender process by filling the digitized form LRA 97. To verify a parcel that has been gazetted for conversion, you will enter the old parcel number in the text box provided, then click Search. And the details of the parcel will be displayed below, including the new parcel number, the gazette date, and the notice effect date. That's it for this tutorial for verification process on ArdhiSasa. Feel free to give feedback on this tutorial in the comment section below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell button to get notifications on new videos as and when we post them. Kindly follow us on our social media handles as well, that is at ArdhiSasa_KE on Twitter and Instagram, and at ArdhiSasa on Facebook. Thanks for watching and goodbye.